When it comes to managing users in the Hive Fabric environment, it's very simple to do. We've targeted the IT generalist as the end user for our system. So things like adding users to VDI pools, very simple. In the Hive Fabric realm, a VDI pool is associated with a Hive profile, is associated with an Active Directory user group. So as long as you manage that Active Directory user group on your side, then your VDI access is automatically managed. So let's take a look at how to increase the pool. All right, so here we've got a pool that's got 8 available desktops with a max of 8. The available desktops is a number where we will always keep this amount in a ready state. And then the max, of course, is how big can it grow. So I could literally set this to 100 desktops. It's not going to grow to that unless the demand requires. So let's go ahead and boost this up to 16 and save that change. And so what I've done is alter the specifications for the performance VDI to be a minimum of 16 and a max of 100. So here we see our original 8, and now we see the remainder building out. It's that quick. HiveIO uses a unique approach to VDI deployment, especially for stateless, in that we deploy in RAM. So deployments, logons, end user experience is absolutely fantastic with the in-memory storage. Now, how about new pools, right? So if I wanted to create a new pool, just go to my desktop pool, and let's create a pool called test, and we'll create it with a 2x4, and let's put it also in memory. And I'll choose my performance desktops. Let's create a pool of 15 and max out at 50. All right, so we'll save that. So it's created this new test VDI pool here at the bottom right. And it's based upon kind of the same profile, the same user profile as this performance pool, right? So the same user group will get access. But here we see this pool of desktops being deployed. Flashing green means it's in a building state. Once it becomes in a ready state, you'll see it be a solid green. So let's take a look at what that looks like. So here we see kind of a myriad of different patterns and colors. And so anything in a solid, steady green is ready. These machines here are being rebooted. These are all in a building state because they're flashing. You see here along the right-hand side, these are all in a ready state. With the exception of one, it's active. So I have somebody logged on to this actively using the desktop. The different types of pools, obviously I've shown you some stateless pools, but we have the ability to create either stateless pools, or if we just toggle this off, this is going to create a persistent pool. And that's going to alter the storage where you have the ability to create that pool. All right, so if it's persistent, obviously going to want some sort of persistent storage. If it's stateless, now I have the ability to chunk that VDI pool into local RAM. So as you can see, very easy to add desktops to the system. Very easy for you to manage user access just by managing your Active Directory groups. And that covers it for adding desktops and users to the Hive Fabric platform.